What's up, everybody? So yesterday I published AI with Alec Newsletter 28, which was a long time coming, as an unpacked where I believe the generative AI puck is heading. And I'm with Sunny Madra and his point that the impact will be more surprising, big, amazing, etc., as the one we felt when ChatGPT exploded onto the scene in November, 2022. So the TLDR on AI with Alec Newsletter 28, I know it was quite long. Forgive me. It's been like 3 months since I wrote one of those, which was killing me. What are AI agents / agentic workflows, and why should I care? Let's say that you're thinking about that, which I imagine you might be if you're watching this, reading this, whatever it might be. So here we go. So let's say you're the CEO of a 500-person B2B SaaS business. And let's say you have an old school CRO and sales team, including a bunch of SDRs. Let's say those SDRs are required to send ice cold outreach emails to 50 target companies per week. And let's say those SDRs target 5 key executives per company, totaling 250 customized emails per week. A lot of work. Let's say those SDRs spend 15 minutes per email all in, which translates to somewhere in the neighborhood of 60 plus hours of work per week. Let's say you, the CEO, ask your old school CRO to introduce AI agents and agentic workflows to 10x your SDRs. Sound familiar? I'm sure these conversations are happening. And I imagine the CRO is like, what in the world is that, right? So what would that look like? Using LangChain, an AI development framework, phenomenal company. You could build an AI agent that would take a baseline outreach email template and it would pull contact information and content from your contact database, i.e. Apollo.io, meets a company / executive knowledge base, right, about these executives, profile information, where they went to college, what their favorite colors are, stuff to build rapport. And the AI agent would auto-magically create 500 custom emails by extracting chunks of relevant content from Apollo.io, from your knowledge base, etc., and feed that to an LLM that is set up essentially, thanks to LangChain, shout out LangChain, to then enable the LLM to synthesize and then drop back in the email template, email 1, 2, 3, all the way to 500. Best part? Those SDRs get to reinvest their time into higher impact work to accelerate the flattening of their learning curve to become self-sufficient, real deal hunters faster. Sitting in on first calls to observe, participate, and eventually lead those first calls. And we know that that translates to, in relation to the quality and the quantity of leads into the pipeline, aka the holy grail, accelerating sales cycle velocity. You want to see what this looks like out in the wild? Check out example number 3 within section number 3, implications, aka so what, of Newsletter 28, which links to a short video by Greg Camera demoing how you can use LangChain to build an AI agent and agentic workflows to help your old school CRO become a generative AI native CRO. Big shout out to Greg. Keep doing what you're doing. Those demos are super useful. Hope you found this interesting, useful, etc. Get after that AI and get after that AI agent, agentic workflow, aka compound AI systems. This is what's coming. Be a part of it.